Boom! Welcome back to Buzz Kitchen. So now we're going to show you a brief instruction or direction how to make salsa verde. It's a typical Mexican condiment for using it for chips mostly. You can use it for other things, for meat as well. So here we have some tomatillos. It look like, as the name reflects, it look like tomatoes. It's a special Mexican vegetable. We got some onions here. We have some jalapenos and serrano peppers, and then we got some garlic and then some lemon juice. So we're gonna go to the stove and blanch this briefly before we proceed. All right, then let's turn on our stove and get the show on the road. All right, so we're gonna blanch these vegetables. We'll leave the garlic for now. We don't want to cook the garlic too much. We'll put it close to the end. All right, these vegetables are clean. They're thoroughly clean, and we'll just let it go. The garlic, like I said, we'll put it close to the end. Just blanch it briefly before we process it. All right, I think our vegetables should be blanched enough. We're going to add the garlic to it and let it blanch for maybe 1 minute. That's it. And then we'll take it out and start blending. Welcome back. Now this is the blanched vegetables. We didn't tell you earlier, but we got some cilantro to go along with it, along with some avocados. So let's go and take them out, put them in the blender. Okay, so now we're back. We're gonna squeeze some of this lime in there. Hey, by the way, I added a little bit of the water from the water we use to blanch the vegetables with. So squeeze this lime juice. Alright, so we're going to add the avocados, and then we'll season it with a little bit of salt. And then add the cilantro. And then we'll go to the blender. Go to blender. Alright, so now we have everything's in the blender. Let's go and yep. Our salsa verde is ready. Look at that, how good, nice it looks. It looks so nice. And I tell you, it tastes good. So we're gonna pour some in here. Just a little bit we can use with these chips. It goes real good with the chips. You can put on other things. But don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Also, remember to share so that you don't miss any of our videos. Anyway, let's give it a try and see. Real good, real good. Very delicious. Thank you again for coming. Bon appetit. Go and give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you.